Hello, come in, Breaker. We got a KRIS 16JG6 driving 360 Q6s, 600. Alright, I put new high voltage capacitors in it, new fan in it, new capacitors on the key relay, on the 12 volt circuit on the key relay. Cleaned all the mud out of the relay, wiped the tubes off, tested them. You got a real good driver tube, 2 to 6 Q6s or so, and the other one's alright. She's up and working, good to go. My friend John Boy in Tennessee, but not the one that builds boxes. Anyway, carrier up there. Well, transmission light works, hello, audio, meter works, hello. Reflect power, 5 volt reverse, got J88 driver. Get on down to 500 watt slug, PP, buried in that middle scale. Donkeys, about 400. 1000 watt slug, PP. Get on down, cheeseburger. Not bad, just a little piece of antique history there. Just want to make a quick little video. This ain't working, so you can see it work. So I have documentation where it's working. Get on down. One more time, 1000 watt peak. Get on down, cheeseburger, get on down, get on down, cheeseburger. There she is. She's all ready to go. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, folks. Just a little piece of antique history. Y'all friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch you later.